Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geetika Arya. So I'm back with another video and this time I'm going to set a corner for Raksha Bandhan. As I love to decorate for festivals, so I thought Raksha Bandhan is coming. Why not create a corner for that? Make sure you follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. Now without further ado, let's start the video.
So as I told you guys, I am going to set a little corner for Raksha Bandhan. For that I am DIYing this old bench. It's really an old furniture piece and I am painting it with grey shade. The original shade was blue. Then I got these stickers from Amazon and I wanted to give it a traditional look, so I just pasted these stickers on the corners. It was quite easy and I just pasted it and then I cut the extra with the help of a blade on the sides because the sides were quite narrow. I firstly cut the wallpaper according to the size of the sides and then I pasted it over, so that way it was easy to paste it overall, and instantly it gave a very nice look to this furniture piece. And it's actually a good idea to give a new look to your old furniture piece. In this area I'm going to set up the area and it was quite dirty, so firstly I'm going to clean this area, and for that I'm using this Gala Turbo Spin Mop. This mob is super easy to install and comes with a stylish bucket with big wheels and a sleek puller handle for easy mopping. It is perfect for students as its smooth ringing and comfortable grip ensures that mopping becomes a breeze. Just dip, spin and clean and all those stubborn sticky stains are gone. Its no water spillage technology ensures no more messy spills. The refill embedded in the turbo fiber eliminates over 99.9% of bacteria using only water. Plus its sturdy build and 2x durable handle ensure it withstands daily use. Its unique triangular mop head effortlessly reaches corners, ensuring every nook and cranny is spotless. Whether it's floors, walls, tiles or hard to reach spaces under furniture, this mop has you covered. You can also trust your maids with it, and it is even easier to use for the maids and hence they will take for your holidays guys. So what you are waiting, get yourself this Gala Turbo Spin Mop at a huge discount of 900 rupees, available in stores near you and all the leading online stores like Amazon, DMart and Reliance. Then we place this bench which we DIY'd along this wall on which the wallpaper is being pasted, and over that I placed its mattress, then added some cushions because the theme was around a festival, so I kept the cushion covers of a proper festival vibe, and then I placed this beautiful rug. It also goes very well with any kind of traditional decor, so I always use such kind of rugs. Then on this corner I placed a side table over which I placed this gorgeous flower vase along with the flowers. These two are from Shopper Stop. On this side I again placed a table, and on the wall I hang these gorgeous wall decor pieces. These are perfect for any festival. And then I placed this lantern, golden lantern along with the beautiful plant, and on this side again I placed the gorgeous lantern from Home Center. Then I added some candles because obviously the festival vibe is here, so I wanted this space to be bright and lighted, so I'd added some candles as well.
So guys, that was all for today. I hope you like this video. It was very small and a simple video. Still, I think outcome is nice. So if you also like the outcome, then let me know in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.